Hey, welcome back. Today, I'll show you how codification systems can be used to generate structured reports out of your models in Conic. So typically, when you want to create a schedule or a quantity takeoff, you'll use some sort of codification system to structure this data. We can actually import existing codification systems into Conic project libraries. So in a project, just head to your libraries tab and import an existing codification system. So we support the most commonly used codification systems worldwide, or you can import your own library using an Excel file. Once you've imported a project library, you can check it out, find all of the codes that are defined there, and you'll see that some codes actually also come with some sort of measurement definition. So, for example, this code for walls need to be measured in axis length of the wall. This is actually defined by the codification system that you're using and will help you generate a more structured quantity takeoff from your model. So once a project library is imported, you can start using it in your model. Actually, I have a model open here and let me check it out. Let me just search for all railings in the model, and now I want to apply some sort of codification to these railings. I can do that using the inspect panel, where I can find all of these railings properties. And I can simply add a new code to these railings. I can see that there's two libraries available. These are the two libraries, or the two codification libraries, that I already imported in my project. I'll just use NRM for this example. And I'll search for some code related to railings. So there's this code, for instance, parapet railings, which would be the correct one in this case. I can simply apply this code to these railings. It will now be visible here in the inspect panel. And if I want a quick overview of all of the classification codes or the codifications used in my model, I can find that here in the libraries under codifications. I can see I already applied quite a few codes to objects in my model. I can get some visual feedback as to what is what exactly by clicking them and selecting them. And once you've structured everything correctly, you can now generate an actual report from this information. So let me get back to the project dashboard and head to the reports section here, where I can see I already created a report previously. Creating a new report is just as simple as choosing a name, choosing a model, and the rest is generated automatically. So this existing report, I can find all of these same codifications that were defined in NRM and that I have applied to objects in my model. So for each codification, I can also find a corresponding measurement, which again is defined in the codification system itself. And once I'm happy with my report, I can export it to a CSV file. Then you can, of course, open the CSV file in Excel and make the necessary styling changes and other modifications. Okay, so this was a short example of how Conic can be used to generate schedules based on codification systems. I hope you enjoyed it, and thanks for watching.